Australia, if it's going to make the most of its opportunities in the world, needs to really put in place the right systems and processes to enable them to upskill the workforce that it has to keep pace with change. I think that what we now see in Australia is a real drive and desire to recognise the problem, but also to start to take tangible steps to really move it forwards.
We've got so much going for us, I think, and especially I think if government can solve the puzzle about how it can become part of that competitiveness in a really meaningful way to work with industry, because I think that when you look at the world at the moment, governments are trying to rein in things and control things for the public good, but then again, how do they accelerate the things that need accelerating? So I think we've got all the ingredients to make the cake. It's, can we do it? Can we pull together and do it?
In terms of the overarching trajectory, there is a real sort of understanding now in Australia that technology has a real role to play in the future. It's not just a cost centre for organisations. It's actually employs more people than mining, and it has a bigger impact to the GDP, etc., etc. And so it's a really important sector in its own right, and that can only be a good thing for the future digital and digital transformation and the digital success of Australia.
I'm not fully confident. I think whilst we've got the talent, we've got the raw materials, it's how do we take that to the point where we can deliver? We've got examples where we've done extremely well with companies like Atlassian, Afterpay and Canva, but how do we do that at scale?
The biggest challenge in digital is around how do we align and collaborate around purpose and effort and actions and priorities. And I think if we can do that, the opportunity is huge.